Learn to use channels on your trading charts.
Hi, Alex Deployer here. I have a number of Udemy courses and over 2,600 students have done my course. Channel trading forms the basis of many of these trades. And that is because channel trading gets you into a trend very, very early. This technique is ideal for the trader that doesn't have much time. You can automate this technique using pending orders. It's also ideal for USA traders because there are no FIFO, hedging or leverage restrictions. In the course you will see live examples of channel trading that will help you find these trades in the future. This technique really does help you find bounces and breakouts. What's also great is that you can use very small stops and large targets, one of the key success factors in trading Forex. And you'll also be very pleased to know that there's a free MT4 indicator that will automatically draw channels for you. So learn to trade this technique and start trading in less than an hour. Please watch the free preview lectures and then don't hesitate. Enroll today. You won't regret it.
In closing, here's an important disclaimer. Trading is risky and the results depend on your skill and your experience. Positive results of completing the course are not guaranteed, and past success is no guarantee that it will repeat in the future. Although the claims made in this video are realistic and have been achieved in real trading, so they're not unrealistic, they are not dishonest or used to mislead, deceive, or manipulate you in any way. They represent what you can achieve once you have developed a high level of competence. This is a free introductory educational and trading course to get you going. But in trading, results are never guaranteed.